In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check unsent messages on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to check those unsent messages on Instagram, you need to open up the Instagram app and then you need to tap messages down in the bottom, like middle of the screen. It kind of looks like a paper airplane icon down there. Now, if someone unsent a message, it'll usually disappear from the chat itself, but one thing you can check is your notification. So go back to your, main page, just like so. Then select your profile icon down in the bottom right, tap those three lines up in the top right, and then you could find your notifications on here. Open that up. And you're going to see a messages section right here. Open up messages and then make sure that these are turned on. If a message was sent before it was unsent, it may still appear under your phone's notification history. Another option is through your Instagram's total data. So go back to the main settings page, select Account Center, and then select your information and permissions. Hit export your information, and then from here, what you can go through is select Create Export, your Instagram account, export to device. Confirm a few things like your email. Make sure your email is correct because it's going to send it to your email. And then in this information tab, open this up and make sure that you hit clear all and choose specifically on here your messages. If you scroll through here, you'll see messages on here. Find messages, hit save, back out, and then hit start export. And it's going to send you a file to your email, which you can download and open up that messages tab specifically and see all those unsent messages. That's the main process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.